Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a fun one. I'm going to share with you how I make my son's Play-Doh. And you might be asking, why don't you just go to Walmart and get the Play-Doh that's been around for years? Well, in our house we like to steer towards the more natural side, so we make our own, and it is super simple, super easy. The prep time and everything included takes maybe 10 minutes. So if you're interested in seeing how we make our own Play-Doh, just keep watching.
To make your own Play-Doh, the ingredients you'll need are cream of tartar, salt, gluten-free cornstarch, because our child is gluten-free, so we just decided to use gluten-free products. This is the most natural food coloring that I could find. Some gluten-free all-purpose flour and some oil. We use avocado oil. Start by mixing 1 cup of gluten-free flour mix, half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, 2 teaspoons liquid coconut oil or olive oil, and 1 cup of warm water. Mix all the ingredients together until it forms a dough-like consistency. Now we are going to be doing this on the stove top. This is the easiest way and the quickest way. It takes about 3 minutes and then it is finished. Now that it is all mixed up, we are going to be transferring it to a pan on medium heat. Make sure you keep an eye on this and stir it, or else it will burn. But you just want to be mixing it back and forth, almost kneading it with a spatula so that it is taking a Play-Doh-y form. After 3 minutes, it has solidified, and of course I let it cool, but now I am kneading it back and forth. I'm sprinkling in some cornstarch again because it does get pretty sticky, so I'm just adding some cornstarch in until it reaches my desired consistency. While in this form it can be certainly used as is, I'm going to be adding a couple of drops of food coloring because that makes it more fun for my toddler. We're learning colors right now, and it's a great way to differentiate between the colors as well as a fine motor skill activity. When we're finished using the Play-Doh, we store it in a ziploc bag. However, you can use any airtight container. Just remember that if you leave it out too long, just like regular Play-Doh, it will dry out and need to be tossed away. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that these steps were simple and easy to follow. If you do end up making your own Play-Doh, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.